Hey guys, I'm back again. So this episode we're talking about frontal placement. Okay, so this is a title by Full Frontal. So I wanted to fold it to give me the middle part where I'll be placing in the middle. Okay. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you haven't watched some of my videos, which I know will be helpful to you, kindly click on the subscribe button, which is for free, and kindly do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so back to the video. We have gotten the middle part. I'm just sliding it so that the line will kind of show. Okay, so now you place the frontal on your mesh tab. Now I'm using this dummy head, okay? So I'm using the nose as the center part, where I'm going to pin that center part that I've lined on the lace. Okay, so this is a HD lace. So after I pin that down to the dummy head, okay, I went straight to pin it at the back. Now guys, look at the trick here. When you want to pin at the back, don't pull, because you might tear the lace. This we say guys, normally say people do, or people that train with me do. Okay, don't drag the lace, just slightly hold it down and pin it down. Okay, so that's just it. Now we move to the side, side. Now guys, another thing I would like to guys know is, once you have pinned the front and pinned the back, this must give you an M shape. As I've said, it must give you an M shape. If it doesn't give you an M shape, just start from the beginning, okay? But this M shape tells you that you're doing it correctly, okay? It must give you this M shape, okay? So that's just it. So that's what you've done. It gives you that M shape. You turn to the right, turn to the left. Then when you want to pin the sides, make sure that you're pinning it right at the end. Right at the end of that place that it was sewn. That place that it was sewn. Okay, so I don't know how to explain this, but just very well to how I place it. Okay, and while you're placing it, leave an inch. You can see where it was. Leave an inch there, and make sure you pinned it right at the tip of the HD lace. Okay, leaving an inch between it. Okay, then turn to the right, the other side. You also do the same thing, pinning it right at the end of that place that it was sewn down. Okay, you pin it down right there, leaving an inch also, while still maintaining the M shape. Okay, guys, if you're still watching up to this moment, please can you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's not so hard, just click on the subscribe button, please. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, so once you're done pinning down, we move to the next point. I'm making sure that it's still giving you that M shape. Okay, we moved down to making sure that it is well flattened at the back. Make sure it is well flattened at the back, because we don't want to go around with a bumpy wig, or after sewing away your frontal wig, it looks bumpy at the back. Okay, I don't know how to explain this word bumpy, but like it looks big, or like something that is rising at the back. Okay, so make sure that it is flat at the back. Okay, I'm trying to bend this so that you guys will see very well. You can see that it's not that flat at the back. So now I'm going right into to flatten it. Make sure that it's very flat, and using my tip pins to secure it well. So while I'm sewing down, it will give me the flattest look ever. Okay, you turn to the other side and make sure to do the same thing, making sure that it's flat as possible. Okay, so just watch and see what I'm doing. So right here, after flattening, I have this little space remaining. So what I did was I placed the one on top of it, like I merge things together. Okay. Being a hairstylist is just being like mathematical. Okay, I have to think and arrange things in a way that is going to come out good. Okay. So guys, this video is coming to an end. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel after watching all this on it, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay. So guys, you can see we still have our M shape intact. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and braid this hair so I can be able to sew it down at the back. Okay. So after sewing them, I'm going to outline my guidelines. Okay. So that is it on how to place your frontal on your wig cap before sewing that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. So please remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned until next time. Bye.